Alright, we're eating peas. I don't think she likes them. Yep, I don't know if she likes peas. You gonna try it again? Hey, Avery. Here you go. Maybe you're starting to get used to them. She was making that first face over and over and over again. Oh, there we go. Yep, not so sure. Not so sure about those, huh? Here, one more. Try again. Oh, yeah.